back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. So, if you want to work from home, but you have absolutely no experience and you're having a hard time getting interviews because you have no experience on that resume, this might be the perfect stepping stone for you to get in, get some experience, and then have something on that resume to apply for bigger and better jobs because this company is requiring absolutely no experience. They are hiring for night and weekend hours. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you do enjoy these videos, please give them a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that it is being helpful. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, today's job lead is from the company Global Payments. Global Payments has 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they come in with an employee satisfaction overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring remote call center for evening and weekend shifts. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. The locations listed are places that they have actual brick and mortar businesses at. But they're basically looking for somebody to answer phone calls and investigate potential credit card fraud cases based on information received from the fraud detection system. You're going to analyze several aspects of the customer's account history, including payment and transaction history, and you'll contact customers and merchants to obtain additional information regarding those fraudulent charges. You'll be responding to 25 or more account inquiries per hour, providing the merchant and card holders of 5 or more assigned clients with standard and scripted responses. So they're not going to leave you out to dry. They're going to give you scripts to follow. You'll begin to build your knowledge about basic skills required to identify fraudulent credit card activity through training, research, and department policies. So they're going to completely train you. Now, what is needed for this position? No college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. And it says no relevant experience required. You will be required to be on camera sometimes. So just make note of that. Now, of course, unfortunately, the job description did not list the actual pay. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But when I can, I try to do a little bit of research, see if I can find an estimation of what the job might pay so you know if it's worth your while to apply. Now, on Glassdoor, people have reported their salaries for working as customer service with Global Payments. And there's multiple different customer service jobs. One person reported between 37 to 39,000. Another person reported the same thing, 37 to 39,000. There's been people to report 41 to 44,000. So a good estimate for this position is going to be anywhere from $37,000 a year up to $44,000 a year. Just letting you know, if this job lead was not for you, I just posted a work from home job lead video that includes 9 different job leads. All are non-phone related. That'll be linked here coming up in just a few seconds at the end of this video. So if this job lead wasn't for you, you might want to check that out next if you haven't already. But of course, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.